Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Navino channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here the first thing we're going to do is to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're going to tap on this little shoe icon. And here, normally, all TikTok users that view your TikTok account will appear here in the last 13 days. Now, if the eye icon is missing, here, the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to go out of here and then tap on Play Store. Now we're going to type in TikTok. So we need to make sure that we have the latest version of TikTok. And as you see here, it says update. So we're going to tap on update to get the latest version. And once the app is fully up to date, then you can go back and see if the eye icon is there or not. Now, the next thing that we're going to try is to go back into TikTok. We're going to go back from here. And if the eye icon is still missing, then we're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. After that, we're going to choose setting and privacy, scroll all the way down, and then hit report a problem. Now we're going to tap on account and profile. And after that, we're going to choose profile page. Here, let's see if the eye icon is here. So there is no option of the eye icon. And for that, we're going to choose other. Here we're going to hit no. And then needs more help. And here, when you can write down your problem. And you can add your TikTok link or username, as you can take a screenshot of your profile where the eye icon is missing.